Hashtag how to cook the tender and juiciest Thanksgiving turkey. Thanksgiving is a time for family, gratitude, and sharing a sumptuous meal. One dish that takes center stage is the turkey. Here's a step-by-step guide to preparing a tender and juicy Thanksgiving turkey that will impress your guests. Hashtag ingredients. 1 whole turkey, approximately 12 to 16 pounds. 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened. Salt and freshly ground black pepper. 1 large onion, quartered. 2 lemons, halved. 1 bulb of garlic, top sliced off. Thyme, rosemary, and sage, handful of each. 2 to 3 cups of chicken broth or stock. Cheesecloth. 1 apple, sliced, optional. 1/4 cup of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of paprika, optional. Carrots and celery for roasting pan, optional. Hashtag step-by-step instructions. 1. Thaw the turkey ***. If your turkey is frozen, make sure to thaw it in the refrigerator several days before cooking. Allow about 24 hours of defrosting time for every 4 to 5 pounds of turkey. A timely thaw is crucial for even cooking. 2. Prepare the butter mixture ***. In a mixing bowl, combine the softened butter, a teaspoon of salt, and a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. You may also add some chopped herbs like thyme and rosemary for extra flavor. For a smokier taste, mixing in a tablespoon of paprika can enhance the turkey's flavor profile. 3. Prep the oven and turkey ***. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit 163 degrees Celsius. Remove the neck and giblets from the turkey cavity and pat the turkey dry with paper towels. Ensuring the turkey's skin is dry helps achieve a crispy, golden brown finish. 4. Seasoning the turkey ***. Gently loosen the skin over the breasts by inserting your fingers between the skin and the meat. Take care not to tear the skin. Rub the prepared butter mixture under the skin, over the breasts, and all over the turkey. Season the cavity liberally with salt and pepper. 5. Stuff the turkey ***. Fill the cavity with onion quarters, lemon halves, the top sliced bulb of garlic, and a bunch of herbs like thyme, rosemary, and sage to infuse flavor. Adding apple slices can lend an aromatic sweetness that complements the savory flavors. 6. Use cheesecloth for tenderness ***. Soak a large piece of cheesecloth in melted butter or olive oil and drape it over the turkey's breasts and thighs. This layer will protect the moisture and prevent toughening while roasting. 7. Pour broth in the pan ***. Place sliced carrots and celery in the bottom of the roasting pan, optional. Pour chicken broth into the roasting pan to cover the bottom, about 2 to 3 cups. This liquid, combined with the drippings, creates flavorful steam and basting juices that enhance moisture and taste. 8. Roast the turkey ***.